Okay, today we're going to show you how to weld an aluminum coil. We have AL 822 aluminum rod. We have nail polish remover or 100% acetone. And we have a brush and we have a small nap torch. Over here you can see the hole. Okay, we'll start cleaning the hole. First thing you do, take a brush, gently brush the hole in the coil, or aluminum as this is. And while he's cleaning that, we'll say that aluminum melts at 1223 degrees. This rod that we're going to be using on this melts about 900 degrees, so you're pretty close. So you have to be careful. But he's cleaned the coil. Now he's going to take the acetone and clean the hole thoroughly. Now using the nap torch and a piece of the aluminum rod, we're going to heat up the coil. This is not to get it too hot, but get it just right. And your hole is soldered closed. Gently wipe it off, smooth it out. Make sure you don't have any cold joints, which you shouldn't have. And now you've got a coil repaired. And of course you probably want to leak check it first, but that'll get you out of a jam or permanent repair. Thanks for watching.